Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the course in Educational Psychology. This program is designed to introduce you to scientific study of how learners develop, think, and acquire knowledge. Throughout the course, we will examine key learning theories, cognitive and social development, motivation, or individual differences, and effective classroom practices. So, our um, our goal is to help you understand the psychological principles that guide teaching and learning, and to enable you to apply this principle in real educational settings. You are encouraged to engage actively in discussions, reflect on the concept presented, and connect them to your future roles as educators or professionals in the field of education. By the end of this course, you will be you will have a clearer understanding of how students learn, how informed teaching can enhance their development. I look forward to your participation and commitments as we begin this important academic journey together. So, the second one is develop of educational psychology. So, educational psychology developed from early philosophical ideas about learning by thinkers like Plato, Aristotle, Locke, and Rousseau in the late 19th century. It became a scientific field with contributions from Wundt, William James, and G. Stanley Hall, who emphasized experimental methods in child development. In the early 20th century, major learning theories shaped the field: behaviorism, Pavlov, Watson, Skinner, cognitive and Gestalt psychology, and development theories from Piaget and Vygotsky. Later, humanistic psychologists like Maslow and Rogers highlighted learners' needs, self-actualization, and personal growth. Modern educational psychology now focus on cognitive process, constructivist learning, motivation, inclusive education, and the impact of technology and neuroscience on learning. The field continues to evolve by integrating research on the mind, learning environments, and teaching practice. So the third one is basic concept of educational psychology. Educational psychology focus on understanding how people learn and develop. Its basic concept include learning processes, human development, and motivation. It examines individual differences among learners and emphasize effective classroom management. The field also studies major learning theories, how memory and thinking work, and how assessment is used to measure progress, social and emotional factors, along with instructional strategies are also central to improving teaching and learning. And fourth one, the heredity and environment in human development. Human development is shaped by both heredity and environment. Heredity, genetics, determines physical traits, intelligence potentials, temperament, and health. Environment external factors influence learning and social and emotional growth and opportunities for development. Interaction. Genetic potential is realized through environmental support. Environmental can enhance or limit inherited traits. In short, heredity provides the blueprint while environment shapes how that blueprint is expressed. So the fifth one is theories of human development. Human development is explained through several major theories. Psychodynamic theories focus on unconscious drive and early experience. Freud, psychosexual stage. Erikson, psychosocial stage. Cognitive theories focus on thinking, knowledge construction. Piaget, cognitive development stage. And Vygotsky, socio-cultural development, social interaction, behavioral, and social learning theories focus on learning through environment and observation. Skinner, operant conditioning. And Bandura, observational learning. Humanistic theories focus on personal growth and self-actualization. Maslow, hierarchy of needs. Rogers, person-centered growth. Biological evolutionary theories emphasize genetics, heredity, and adaptation. Contemporary integrative theories combine biological, cognitive, social, and emotional perspectives emphasizing lifelong development. So the sixth one is learning and factors influencing learning. Learning is a relatively permanent change in behavior, knowledge, skills, or attitudes due to experience or practice. Factors influencing learning include individual factors, intelligence, motivation, prior knowledge, interest, attitude, health. So, environmental factors, family support, school, environment, peers, culture, and society. Instructional factors, teaching methods, learning materials, feedback, and reinforcement. Emotional and psychological factors, self-confidence, stress, anxiety, and emotional support. In essence, learning is shaped by a combination of personal, social, instructional, and emotional factors. So the seven one, learning theories. Learning theories, behaviorist theories focus on observable behavior. Learning occurs through conditioning, reinforcement, and punishment. Pavlov, Skinner. Cognitive theories focus on mental processes. Learning involves understanding memory and problem solving. So, constructivist theories. Learners actively constructive knowledge through experience and social interaction. Learnings is meaningful and context-based. Piaget, Vygotsky, Dewey. Humanistic theories emphasize personal growth, instilling motivation, and learner-centered approaches. On social learning theory, learning occurs through observing and imitating others, reinforcement, and modeling play key roles. Educational psychology. So, educational psychology helps improve teaching, learning, and student outcomes. Number 2, development of educational psychology. Philosophical roots, Plato, Aristotle, Locke, Rousseau. Scientific emergence, Wundt, James Hall. Major theories, behaviorism, cognitive, humanistic, constructive. Number 3, basic concept. Learning development, motivation, individual differences, classroom management, memory thinking, assessment, social emotional factors. Number 4, heredity and environment. Heredity, genetic traits affecting development. Environmental external influences, family, school, culture, interaction shapes growth. Number 5, theories of human development. Psychodynamic, Freud, Erikson, Cognitive Piaget, Vygotsky, behavioral social learning, Skinner, Bandura, humanistic, Maslow, Rogers, biological evolutionary genetics and adaptation. Number 6, learning and factors influencing learning. Learning permanent change in behavior, knowledge, skills, influenced by individual factors, environment, instructional methods, emotional and psychological factors. Number 7, learning theories. Behaviorist, conditioning and reinforcement, cognitive mental process and problem solving. Constructivist, acknowledge construction, humanistic, personal growth and motivation, social learning, learning by observation and limitation. So, the number is this, human development. Study of psychological, cognitive, social, and emotional change throughout life, influenced by heredity, genetics, and environment, family, culture, education. Interaction of heredity and environment shapes overall growth. Memory. So, mental process of encoding, storing, and retrieving information. So, the types, sensory memory, brief storage of sensory input, and short-term memory, limited information for short duration, and long-term memory, permanent storage, declarative facts, events, procedural skills, habits. Factors affecting memory: attention, practice, organization, emotion, and health. Memory improves with cognitive development and active learning strategies. So, talents and interest students. Talents and interest students. Interests, activities, or subjects students enjoy and motivated to pursue. Importance in enhance management, esteem, motivation, and guides learning and career choice. Student with exceptionalities include gifted, learning disabled, physically or sensory challenged, and emotionally or behaviorally challenged students. Talents may not always match academic performance, interest can guide teaching strategies, support requires differentiated instruction, accommodations, and nurturing strengths. So, strategy: identify strengths, provide enrichment and flexible learning, connect learning to interest, and encourage growth in talents. So, thinking and memory. Thinking and memory, mental process of organization, information, problem solving, decision making, and forming ideas. Type critical thinking, analysis, evaluation, and creative thinking, idea generation. Memory. The memory process of encoding, storing, and retrieving information. So, the types of memory: sensory, short-term, long-term, declarative, and procedural. Recognition. Ability to identify previously learned information using cues easier than recall because prompts trigger memory. Symptoms of recognition problems: difficulty identifying familiar people, objects or information, confusion or delayed responses even with clues, forgetting recently learned facts or events. Common in aging, brain injury, or cognitive disorders. So, classroom management. Number 12. Classroom management, the processes of organizing and maintaining a learning environment that promotes engagement, learning, and positive behavior. The importance: ensures safety, reduce disruptions, foster students' engagement, and builds positive relationship. So, key components. Rules and procedures, clear behavioral expectations, discipline, strategies, positive reinforcement, and corrective measures. Physical environment, organized seating and learning materials. Instructional management, effective lesson planning and pacing. Student management, motivating participation and collaboration. Teacher-student relationship, respect, empathy, and consistent communication. Strategies for effectiveness. Set clear rules, maintain routines, reinforce positive behaviors, address disruption fairly, and adapt diverse learners. Individual variation. Number 13. Difference among student and abilities. Learning style. So, interest, personality, and behavior. Physical height, health, motor skills, intellectual, intelligence, reasoning. Emotional, temperament, motivation, self-confidence. So, and the social, communication, per relationship culture, and learning style, visual, auditory, kinetics, talents and interests, hobbies, creativity, athletics, and the causes, heredity, genetics, and innate abilities, environment, family culture, school peers, interaction of heredity and environment. And the importance in education, sports, differentiated instruction and personalized learning, promotes motivation, engagement, and equity, helps teacher recognize strengths and address weakness. So, students' personal characteristics. Traits, qualities, and attributes that influence learning and behavior. Types: physical age, health, motor skills, cognitive intelligence, memory, attention, or problem solving. So, emotional, temperament, motivation, self-confidence, emotional stability. And the social communication, relationships, cooperation, cultural background. About the personality, creativity, curiosity, adaptability, leadership, interest, and prefix, habits, learning, or importance in education. Helps understand learners' difference. Guides in instructional planning and teaching strategies. Support personalized learning and engagement. So, enhance social and emotional development. So, the last one is motivation to learn in need for achievement. Motivation to learn. Internal drive to engage in learning. Intrinsic interest, curiosity, enjoyment. Extrinsic rewards, grades, praise. Importance, boost. Engagement, persistence, and learning outcomes. Need for achievement, desire to succeed and excel. Characteristics, prepares challenges, presented, goal-oriented, seeks feedbacks. Role drives effort, discipline, and academic personal success. So, this is my final exam for English Psychology or Psychology Pendidikan. So, thank you so much for allow me to speak to do it in English, Mr. Rodianto. Actually, this is Indonesia subject, but I asked permission for my docent or for my advisor that if possible I make it in English. So thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. By the way, my name is Norjay Roman Sebastian. I hope you enjoy to watch this video and you learn about English or educational psychology. Thank you so much. This is for today's video.